In the shadows of a forgotten garage, it sat, a relic from a bygone era of Japanese performance. Decades of dust blanketed its once sleek lines, a forgotten legend shrouded in time. Faded paint, cracked tires, and a web of rust told a story of neglect. We opened the hood to find an engine bay that hadn't seen daylight in years, a silent heart waiting for a second chance. The transformation began with the roar of a pressure washer, stripping away the grime to reveal the soul underneath. Every inch of rust was meticulously ground away, each dent patiently hammered out until the body was smooth once more. A fresh coat of vibrant factory paint brought back its original glory. Inside, the faded interior was deep cleaned and reupholstered, restoring the cockpit to its former splendor. Then came the mechanical heart. The engine was carefully disassembled, each component laid out like a complex puzzle. Old parts were cleaned and polished, while worn belts, gaskets, and hoses were replaced with new life. With precision and care, the engine was reassembled piece by piece, a testament to engineering and passion. With a turn of the key, the silence was shattered by a deep, satisfying roar. The restored machine gleamed under the lights, a phoenix risen from the ashes. It rolled out of the garage and into the sun, a piece of automotive history reborn, ready to conquer the open road once again.